History is a tapestry woven from countless threads of evidence. Yet what if a significant portion of this tapestry is a forgery? This is the premise of the phantom time hypothesis. Proposed by Heribert Illig in the early 1990s, it claims that 297 years of history, from 614 to 911 AD, never happened. According to Illig, this period is a grand illusion inserted into the historical record. Imagine entire generations living centuries off the mark. This hypothesis raises several questions. Why fabricate history? Who benefits? What evidence supports this claim? The implications are staggering. If true, it would require a complete re-evaluation of the early Middle Ages. Before rewriting history, we must examine the foundation of Illig's case. At the heart of the phantom time hypothesis lies a conspiracy of theatrical proportions. Illig posits that Pope Sylvester II, Holy Roman Emperor Otto III, and possibly Byzantine Emperor Constantine VII orchestrated the fabrication. The motive? To legitimize Otto III's reign by making it appear he ruled in the year 1000 AD, a date of significant religious and cultural importance. Pope Sylvester II, a scholar of mathematics and astronomy, allegedly adjusted the dating system to align with Otto III's ambitions. Constantine VII is suspected of propagating the fabricated timeline through official chronicles. This calculated conspiracy suggests history can be manipulated to serve the interests of those in power. The audacity of this alleged conspiracy is captivating and unsettling. It challenges our perception of history as a linear progression of events. However, we must scrutinize the evidence that underpins Illig's claims. Heribert Illig presents a line of reasoning that crumbles under closer examination. He points to inconsistencies and gaps within the historical record as evidence of a grand fabrication. One primary piece of evidence is the supposed lack of archaeological and historical documentation from the period in question. Illig argues that the scarcity of artifacts and written records from the 7th to 9th centuries AD points to historical invention. He also cites discrepancies between the Julian and Gregorian calendars as evidence of temporal tampering. However, these arguments rely on a selective reading of the historical record and misunderstand the complexities of calendar systems. While the phantom time hypothesis captures the imagination, it falls short under rigorous scrutiny. The theory's foundation, built on speculation and selective interpretation, crumbles under overwhelming counter-evidence. A closer look at the period reveals a rich tapestry of events and cultural developments that contradict Illig's claims. One glaring flaw is its Eurocentric perspective, ignoring historical records and archaeological evidence from other parts of the world. Global events like the spread of Islam and the Tang dynasty in China occurred during the period Illig claims is fictitious. Scientific dating methods like radiocarbon dating and dendrochronology consistently confirm the established timeline of the early Middle Ages. These methods align with historical records and archaeological findings, painting a cohesive picture of the past. The evidence leaves no room for a 297-year gap. Despite being debunked, the phantom time hypothesis continues to allure some. Its persistence highlights the power of conspiracy theories and the human fascination with alternative narratives. The theory serves as a reminder of the importance of critical thinking when encountering extraordinary claims. It underscores the need to engage with historical evidence critically and consider multiple perspectives. Conspiracy theories often offer straightforward explanations for complex phenomena, but history is rarely straightforward. The phantom time hypothesis, while a compelling thought experiment, fails under historical scrutiny. Its reliance on speculation and contradiction of scientific dating methods render it untenable. However, it reminds us of the importance of critical thinking and responsible engagement with historical evidence.